In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily remove duplicate data in Excel by using the Remove Duplicates tool. And if you'd like to grab a copy of the Excel file I use in this video, just click on the link in the description below. Okay, so what we've got here are some employee ID numbers, departments, first names and last names, and bonus amounts. And we're going to remove the duplicate entries from this table of data over here. And I've just put a copy over here just so we can compare it to the original. So this table of data is going to stay as is for comparison purposes. Okay, so over in our table of data, we've got a couple of problems. And the first one is that employee John Smith, his entire row of information there is in there twice. So his employee number, department, first name, last name, and bonus amount, the entire row is in there twice. And we want to remove one of those rows. And the other problem is that the ID number for John Smith not only appears twice there, it also appears down further here for Jaden Wall. So we want to identify that and also remove it. Okay, so there's an optional first step that you can take. You don't have to do this, but I'll just show you, is if you actually highlight the table of data and then go to the conditional formatting button on the home tab of the ribbon and then highlight cell rules and duplicate values and OK, you can see that that's highlighted everything that it finds in there more than once. So we can see now that we've got the entire rows there for John Smith, and we can also see the ID numbers down there 3 times. Now, because we've got a lot of other duplicate information in here, there's a lot of highlighting. So I'll just turn that off because that's really not going to help us. So what we can do is we can just click anywhere on this table of information, go to the Data tab in the ribbon, click on the Remove Duplicates button, and then we can select the data that we want to evaluate. So we're going to leave all of the columns ticked because we want to find entire rows that are duplicated. And we also want to make sure this is checked because we do have a header row of data. Now, if I click on OK, Microsoft gives us the message that 1 duplicate value was found and removed and that there's 15 unique values remaining. So if I click on OK, what we can see is that it's removed that row there, which was the second instance of John Smith. So it's removed that entire row. What it hasn't removed is the other instance of the ID number 1001 because we actually wanted it to evaluate all of the columns and not just the ID number column on its own. Okay, so I'm just going to Control-Z and undo that. And then we'll go back up to the Remove Duplicates tool. Untick everything except for ID number and click on OK. And this time it's removed 2 duplicate values and left 14 unique values. Okay, so this time it has removed that row there and that row there because all we asked it to do was to evaluate the ID numbers and not every single column. And those are the duplicates that it found just in the ID numbers, and then it's gone and removed the entire rows. Okay, so that's how you can easily remove duplicate information from your tables of data in Excel.